What's up, everybody? So, due to our unique set of circumstances, we are finding that we need a good at-home workout. This is hard with minimal equipment, but I think I have just what you need, all right? As long as you can find a backpack, a coffee table, or something of that level, and ideally some bed sheets, I think you'll be all right. Let's get it. Okay, so our very first exercise is going to be push-ups with a pulse. So ideally, I like to go about shoulder width for this. I open my palms and I dig them into the ground as if I'm trying to rotate them counterclockwise, screw myself in, straighten my body, and then on these I'm gonna drop all the way down, do a minor push-up on the ground and then up. So it's down, baby push-up, all the way up. Down, baby push-up, all the way up. Down, baby push-up, all the way up. So our second workout in the series right now is going to be dips, utilizing the coffee table. Now again, we're trying to blast triceps. So when I get down for the dips, I grab about shoulder width and I slowly inch my legs out. You'll notice if I let my shoulders come forward when I try to do this, I'm gonna be using a little bit more of my chest and it's gonna be uncomfortable in my shoulders. So keeping that in mind, I like to open up my chest and instead of dropping straight down, where you'll feel it in your shoulders, I'm actually pushing away from the table. Notice I'm pushing away from the table. So as I do this, as I'm extending, I'm flexing the tricep. I'm not going to a fully locked out position, but just shy of that. Drop down slow, up. You'll feel it. Okay, third exercise in the series. Right now we're gonna do nose bombers, right? So for me personally, everyone has their own kind of unique kick that they like to do with this. Some go further apart. For me, I find this a little bit more intense. If I focus in more of a diamond push-up formation, I'm gonna arch back. I want my head past where my hands start. Right? I don't want to be directly over it trying to do this. It's a lot of tension. So again, I'm gonna screw my hands in. I'm gonna arch back and I'm diving my nose to the tip of the diamond. Next exercise is going to be dips. This time we're actually focusing on our lower pec. If you saw my last workout video, you'll see the workout I did with the chairs. That's still suggested for this instead. But if you don't have maybe two chairs or you don't trust them, this is always a great alternative. So for this, again, I'm gonna go about shoulder width apart. Unlike the nose divers, I actually wanna go over my hands on this one. Again, because I'm trying to feel more of my lower chest. So it's really just a push-up into the table. But I'm aiming for my hands and my thumbs to come about to the nipple line. So our fifth and final exercise of this series for the chest smasher living room workout is going to actually be negative incline push-ups. Now, this is a really great finisher because it kind of takes you past where your level is or where you could go. So again, I go about normal push-up width, just shoulder width apart. I'm gonna be feet on the table. I want to inch my feet barely on the table. And here I'm gonna slowly lower down as slow as I can go. Drop my knees down, extend my arms, pick myself back up as slow as I can go. Drop my knees down, pick myself up, start again. Slow as I can go. Drop my knees down, pick myself up.